Now, this is meant specifically for traders who just want to withdraw out from the market at least once or twice every single week, and that is without experiencing too much stress from the market. That is, you open your charts, track out the exact market formation I'm about to show you right now completely for free, then you simply stock in your trades, after which you withdraw and cash out from the market. Like, very straightforward. I'll be showing you every single thing on live trades right now, step by step. All right, okay guys, so we'll just be trading on our XAUUSD, also known as our gold, and then we'll be trading on a 15 minutes time frame, and the leverage we'll be using today will be a 1 to 2,000 leverage. Now, if we zoom in our chart on our XAUUSD, the first thing we'll notice is that the chart was playing just like this: drops down, pushes up, drops down, and now it wants to push towards the top again. But then there is a problem. It couldn't just keep pushing towards the top. It had to drop down again first, right? Still playing just around this level. It had to drop down again first, right? You can literally see it's very, very visible, right? Good. Now, after dropping down, what did you notice? We noticed that it got stuck around the spot. Let me just quickly show you that. You can notice that it really got stuck around the spot. It couldn't really cross the zone. But then suddenly it crossed this level and started pushing back again towards the top, just like this. If we try zooming that out nicely, you can literally see it, right? Drops down, got stuck around the spot, right? And then it couldn't really cross this zone. It couldn't drop towards the bottom. It also couldn't push towards the top. It got stuck around the zone. And then after that, what did you notice? A sudden push towards the top, right? You can literally see this, right? A sudden push towards the top after this. And after that, you should notice a massive push towards the top, nicely just like that. Now, if we track out our charts now around the spot, this particular zone where it actually pushed above, right? And then kept taking off towards the top, this particular zone is what we call a mini order block. Then we call it a mini order block because it was actually tracked out from a 15 minutes time frame. So that what we can actually see on our charts now, if we try mapping it out from around the zone here, what do you notice now? You should actually notice that the chart pushed towards the top, and all we had to wait for was for the chart to drop back down to this mini order block here. So even if I don't know anything about trading, I've never traded my entire life, all I can simply do is wait for this chart to keep dropping to hit this my zone at around the spot. Yeah, it almost entered the zone, but it couldn't. It pushed back towards the top, and then it kept dropping, and finally it landed on the zone, right? That was all I needed to do. Now, while it was dropping around the spot, something interesting also started happening. And what was happening? If we try mapping out a chart again from this region, what we should notice is what? We should notice a trend line that got created at around this region. Now, this trend line is what will tell me the exact time to go into my trade, because the charts will keep dropping following this trend line, mistakenly broke around the spot, but then kept following through a trend line, and made last it hit our order block level. It made last it hit a trend line also. We notice something what we call an X formation. That is a horizontal level, which is our order block, collide with a trend line around the spot, creating an X formation. Immediately after that, what can I do? I can easily storm into this trade now, right? Easily, we can notice that a morning star was created just immediately after hitting a level. You can literally see that. And after which, it just started pushing up towards the top, which we can easily just storm into our trades now. Now, by the way, we are going into this trade now, but then those in our private channel, I already dropped the trade for them just like about 15-20 minutes ago, something around that time, right? Now, just before we started recording this video, say they joined the trade just a little bit earlier, right? So I actually dropped the trade. They are actually in the trade already now. And immediately after our first take profit has been hit around that range, I will also drop it in our free channel so that there will be no excuse, so that every single person will cash out from this particular trade. So what we can do now is I can easily just, okay, let me just storm into some trades on my one lot size there. Okay, so that's my first trade. Now, by the way, I'm actually using a capital of just about 659. I guess you would have noticed that already. So that's what I'm using today. Let me just quickly add up another trade on my one lot size again. Okay, so I'm actually having a free margin for about 233 currently, right? 233 currently. Okay, I feel like adding one more trade. I feel like, but let's just wait for the meantime. I guess maybe after our first take profit or so has been hit, I want to maybe add one or two more trades on the rest. But for the meantime, let's actually just wait. So this has actually been very, very smooth. Now, by the way, I actually didn't really tell you much about our stop loss. Our stop loss is actually very easy. We just place our stop loss just below our order block level. It's that easy, right? So just that easy. And then for our take profit, you can just look for all our resistance levels around the chart, right? So like this spot now, we can go higher and we can just keep going higher like that, right? So the main thing is to just recognize the stop loss level, that it has to be below your mini order block there. Okay, now our first take profit has been hit nicely and already shared this trade in our free channel. So those in our free channel, they're already nice profits already. They're already moving some nice profits there also. I just want to quickly add in maybe like just one more trade, right? So I just want to see if I can add like one more trade to this. Let me just go in with okay, let's see. Let me just go in with 2 lot sizes, right? I'll just stock in one with 2 lot size there, right? And okay, now I'm having more than enough free margin. Okay, let me go 4. Let me go 4. Okay, let me go 4. I'm still having a nice free margin of about 1.3k, but I don't want to over push this, right? I don't want to over push this. It's fine. It's fine. I'm not adding any more trades to this again. I'm not. So the free margin is okay, about 1.3k now. Just to be safe, guys. Just to be safe, right? So let's just leave it like this, and we'll just see how this goes from here. Now, while we wait for that trade, let me just quickly tell you about Mentorship Course 100, where I'll be teaching personally live 101 from on the 1st of September through to on the 11th of September 2025. We'll actually be covering from the very basic foundation of trading through to the legendary mastery of the chart, on how to trade with dangerous accuracy as possible and what you do it yourself practically also. The mission is quite simple. Duplicate 100 super legendary traders that will storm into the markets daily. To register, you can simply just click on the link in the description box there, or you can simply just scan the QR code right there now. And yes, registration deadline is on the 30th of August. All right. Okay, guys. So this is what we're having currently, right? So we're just running just about $13.2 thousand now. That's what we're running currently, which is actually very, very smooth, right? Now, by the way, our first take profit, of course, has been hit. Our second take profit has now been hit. Our third take profit also has now been hit. So all of our take profits have now been hit. But we are not leaving this trade yet, right? We are not leaving this trade yet. We are still locking in profit because this trade literally just started. But then, for the sake of this video, I'm going to close this trade for this account. But on our main account, also on our private channel, we are still locking in profit because we are not playing. This trade actually just started, right? Because we are running approximately $13,000 on this account. This is actually still very much impressive. So those in our private channel, they're in massive profit already. Those in our free channel, they are also in massive profit now, right? In massive profit now. And if you hit the link to our free channel now, as we're speaking, if you hit that link right there, you should find this exact trade right now. As we're speaking, you should find this exact trade right there now, right? You should find this exact trade there. Okay, so what we just do now, guys, is we just quickly shut down all of these trades now, right? Just for the sake of this video, on our main account, we are still locking in profits because we don't waste pips here, right? So let's just quickly shut down all of our trades. Now we're actually earning just over $13,000, which is actually very, very clean, right? Knowing the fact that we started from just approximately $700 and now we're having over $13,000. Now, mind you, on our main accounts, just like I already said, we're still holding this trade because this trade, we're not wasting no peep on this trade. Just remember, if you need to register for MC100, you can simply just hit the link in the description box, or you can simply scan the QR code right there right now. If you're new to this YouTube channel, just remember to hit the subscription button, hit the like button, and also remember to turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any videos that will be dropping out from this page. So bye from guys, I'm Mr. P. Peace.